Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing legalization of prostitution in Thailand. Now, there may be those who would say, well, Ben, you've done videos before where you've discussed that, this isn't necessarily illegal in the same way that it is in the West. Well, that's true. As we've discussed in other videos, as prostitution is defined under Thai law presently, there is a sort of an open and notorious element, what I sometimes refer to as the promiscuity element, wherein if people are soliciting or pandering to prostitution in sort of an open and notorious promiscuous manner, then they can be cited and that can be a criminal offense in Thailand. But as we've discussed, I think Thailand to this point has taken a very mature approach to how to deal with a very vexing social issue, and they've sort of said, look, what happens behind closed doors amongst consenting adults is not something we're interested in pursuing. And that's really the way that it fundamentally practically works on a day-to-day basis with regard to the issue of prostitution here in the kingdom. Now, that said, there may be change in the wind. Quoting directly from a recent article in the Bangkok Post, that's bangkokpost.com, article is titled, Sretabak's Gender Equality Sex Worker Bills. And I urge those who are watching this video, a lot of information in that article. I urge you to go check it out for yourself to see what's going on in there. Quoting directly, the third bill would legalize prostitution by amending the 1996 Act on illegal prostitution, suppression, and prevention. So again, it would legalize, presumably, the practice. It would say that's not illegal, or they just repeal it. I don't know exactly how they would do it. Again, how it's set up at this point with the promiscuity element being what it is, again, openly and notoriously pandering, engaging in, or soliciting prostitution could be a criminal offense in Thailand. Again, what happens behind closed doors amongst consenting adults, not something Thai law enforcement is overly concerned about. But presumably, if this was to change, as noted in that article, there would be a substantial number of benefits for folks that find themselves in that industry, not limited to things involving minimum wage, certain minimum working condition requirements, health benefits, etc. So I can definitely see the arguments in favor of legalization merely from just sort of a basic human dignity standpoint. Whether or not this will ultimately be promulgated by Parliament and be passed into law here in the kingdom remains to be seen, but we'll certainly keep you updated on this channel as that situation evolves.